Right, I've taken the wheels off the axle. I'm going to stick the rubber tyres on today. You can see I've keyed up the outside of the rim a bit. And I've keyed up the inside part of the tyre. That's being stuck on the rim. And then I've given them a wipe off with some acetone. Now I'm going to bond them on with some proper rubber adhesive. I've stuck the rubber tyres on the rims. While that's still curing properly, I'm going to turn up the hubcaps. So they'll be turned up, drilled, and then mark out and drill the tapped holes on the hubs. Right, before I can do any more turning, I'm going to put a new motor on the lathe. This lathe motor is making a load of noises. I think the bearings are gone in it and that. So that's a 1/4 horsepower motor on there. And what I've got, that's a 1 horsepower, so it's a little bit more powerful. Right, I got my new motor on the lathe. Let's turn it on, see what it sounds like. It sounds a lot quieter. That's just the hum of the motor. That's a 1 horsepower motor. Great. Well, that's that little job. Now I can do some more turning. Right, the first thing I'm going to do, face off the back, do the outside diameter here, and then bore this out to the depth and size. Right, I've taken the overall diameter the right size and faced off there. Now I'm going to bore out to the depth and the diameter needed in there. Right, that's this side of the hubcap done. Now I've got to turn it over and do the other side. Right, that's both hubcaps turned. You probably wonder how I was going to turn the outside side, but I found this teeny weeny little chuck which the jaws fit in the back end nicely. So I'll leave that one mounted onto the chuck, mount it in the vise on the milling machine, drill the 3 holes on each flange. The hubcap all centered on the drill, and on the digital readout I've put in a 3-hole on a 0.640 radius. So the first hole I've got to zero out those 2 numbers, well, the X to take me over to there. So let's get on. I'll just start the drill. Right, and then I'll just zero off the X. Right, now I drill the hole. Well, I'll just put a centre on it. Right, that's got a centre on. Now I'll just do the other 2 holes. Right, so each hole has got a centre. Now I've got to put this drill through and then countersink. So I'll just carry on using the digital readout. I'll do this hole, then the other 2. Right, now I have to put a small countersink on them. I'll do exactly the same thing with the digital readout. Right, that's one hubcap drilled. Countersunk, I'll just do the next one. Right, that's both hubcaps made, drilled, countersunk. Next thing what I'll do is get these mounted on the milling machine and use the same pitch circle diameter and do the 3 holes for that, and then I've got to tap those. Right, that's the rubber tyres and the front hubcaps on the front wheels. Please subscribe to my channel and join me in the making of a 2-inch scale Fowler Showman's traction engine. Thank you.